This is not a shoe to be cutting no motherfucker. Hey, y'all wake up, man. It's called a barber. Now, I done told y'all I got this barber shit down to a science, man. From the way you hold your clippers all the way to the bottom of your feet, man. And today, we're going to go over a few sneakers that I recommend barbers wear while they're in the shop for comfortability, style, and durability, man. Also, easy on the pockets, man. Let's get into it. All right, first and foremost, we're going to go with the Diodora N9000. All right, this shoe right here, man, is real comfortable. You understand? They come in a lot of different colors. You understand? They also come in a few more different styles that's a little slightly different from these, man. And from my knowledge, these shoes was real popular back in the 80s and shit, man. So you still can look cool in them. And these shoes don't cost that much, man, believe it or not. These are one of my personal favorites. I done wore the shit out of these, man. As you can see, they real durable, man, and they easy on the pocket as well. So I recommend barbers to get them a pair of the Diodora N9000s, man. Alright, right here we got the Yeezy 350 V2s. These are one of my greatest investments, man. These here got the little ultra boost on the inside, you understand, for comfortability. They're also durable and they're real hard to fuck up, you understand. And you want to get shoes that hair can't really get into and get all in the crevices and cracks and shit. And this is one of the shoes right here that I recommend for that. This shoe kind of got the little stretch material. And me, I have wide feet, so that's perfect for me, man. I definitely recommend barbers to get them a pair of the Yeezy 350 V2s, man. Now, I will say this, it ain't that easy on the pocket. They like $200 or something, you understand? But if you're a barber, you handling your business, and you done watched a few more of my other videos to teach you how to be 10 toes at the shop and shit like that, then you making some money, you can afford these. These are gonna be one of your greatest investments, man. I promise you that. This is one of the best $200 or something I done spent, man. You understand? I definitely got all of my money back out of these, and they still sitting pretty, ready to wear some more, man. So get you a pair of these, man. Alright, right here we got the Air Max Vapor Max Plus, man, the all black joints, you understand? These go with anything. Now, me personally, I really don't fool with Nike when it comes to being behind the chain cutting hair, because most of the other Air Max, like the 95s and the 97s, the air bubble on them really ain't that comfortable, you understand? But these right here, I don't know what they did to them, but these motherfuckers right here is the truth. They kind of remind me of the regular Vapor Max due to the bottom, but the top kind of got this little stretch material. Hair can't get in it. It won't get dirty, you understand? If you can find these all black ones, I believe they sold out, but if you can find these, man, this is a real good shoe. You can even buy it used, man, you understand? But this is a real good shoe to be cutting hair in. I done wore the shit out these goddamn shoes. As you can see, it got scuffs all on them and shit, you understand? But hey, these are one of my favorite pair of shoes, man, you understand? So get you a pair of them Vapor Max Pluses, man. Alright, right here we got the Puma RSXs. These are one of my favorite shoes as well. They got the RS running system on the inside, and this little bottom, you understand, on the inside, it's kind of a nice little cushion inside of there. However, I noticed on the inside of the shoe, the middle of my foot, it feel like it's not touching the bottom when I'm cutting. And I cut a lot of heads. I be on my feet a lot of hours, man, and I don't think they're the right shoe for me because I'm flat-footed, you understand what I'm saying? And these right here kind of force my feet to cuff like that. So I wear them every now and then because they still a good, comfortable shoe. You can get you a pair and try them out, you understand? They're pretty easy on the pocket, so you ain't got to worry about spending all your money and shit. And they come in multiple colors, and you get to still keep the, you know, the new style and shit, the little fat shoe style and shit. But yeah, man, get you a pair. Alright, right here we got the Cole Haan Oxford 0 grams, man, you understand? And if you trying to have that professional look, that swaggy look, that grown man, master barber, top of the line, big shit, big hair cutting, big money making, these the motherfucking shoes right here, baby. I'm gonna tell you that right now, man. These are one of my personal favorites right here, man, I swear. Now, I've been having this particular shoe for a long time, man, you understand? And you can look at it, you can't even tell, you feel me? This is a nice shoe, man. You take you some little wax and butter them boys up and they back on the road. Make sure when you get you some Cole Haans, they have a 0 gram bottom. These right here gonna have you looking right, man, I swear. They're gonna give you that professional grown man ass look. You can go in the shop and tuck your shirt in and put your belt on, put your brown belt on, and you on, man. These motherfuckers here the truth. You go to the store and you buying some shoes and you know you're gonna be cutting hair in them, you pick the shoe up and you do this here. If you can't do this here, that ain't nothing to cut in, you feel me? Because you want your shoes to be flexible. so your feet could be flexible, you understand? We got mats at the barbershop and shit like that, and you want that to correlate with the bottom of the shoe so you can be comfortable when you're cutting all day. We stand on our feet 10 and 15 hours a day, man. You gotta have the right shoes on your feet, man, like real talk. But if you're looking for that professional look, these Cole Haan 0 grams, say, man, this it right here. This my shit. I fucks with these, real talk, man. Alright, last but not least. Yeah. I'm finna get on y'all ass. You understand what I'm saying? All you barbers wanna look cool, you wanna look tight, you wanna be fly and shit, you wanna show people you making money, and the first goddamn thing you do is go buy some goddamn J's. This is not a shoe to be cutting no motherfucking hair in. Look at this shit. Look at this. You hear that? Sound like you knocking on the goddamn door. Hello? Hello? You wear this shit on your off day. If you look at this shoe, look how clean this motherfucker is. Look at that. Look at that. Not a stain on this motherfucker. You know why? I wear these bitches on my off days and I'm starting not to like that neither. I done had almost all the retros, man. I could have in the shop for like 3-4 years straight in J's. You understand what I'm saying? I wouldn't wear nothing else. If you ask anybody that know me, they'll tell you, man, all Cold War was J's. You understand what I'm saying? Now, I still buy them here and there. You understand what I'm saying? But this is not a good investment. This shoe costs $200, you understand? Just to be sitting up in the goddamn closet this fucking clean. You don't want that. You a barber. You want some shoes that you gonna put on your feet and go to the shop every day. It go with everything. Your feet gonna be comfortable and it's putting some goddamn money in your pocket. And at the end of the day, when you go home, your feet still all soft and shit and feeling good. You understand what I'm saying? That's what you want. You don't want to come home and take your goddamn shoes off and you got goddamn corns all over your goddamn feet because you want to look cool at a barbershop and show everybody you got some goddamn money. Pick one of those shoes that I done showed you that's easy on the pocket and real good with your feet. You understand what I'm saying? Because if your feet good, your legs good, then your back good, then you're good in the game because you last a long time. You understand? You don't want to be no old barber, back all hunched over and shit like that. They're like, man, what the fuck is wrong with you? You like, man, shit, I wear them J's all my goddamn career. That's your problem. You're standing on fucking bricks, man. This shit is not for a barbershop. Now, don't get me wrong, I ain't telling you to not wear no J's and no shit like that, you understand? I know barbers is hip-hop and hip-hop is barbering and all this shit right there, but man, look, wear this shit on your all day, man. It's cheaper choices out here, you understand, where you can still look cool, it's easy on the pocket, and better on your feet. So those are a few pair of shoes from my arsenal that I recommend barbers go and get. And when you out shoe shopping, make sure the shoe is comfortable, make sure the shoe is durable, make sure it's easy on your pocket, make sure it's a good investment. And yeah, go on ahead and make sure it got some style for you cool ass barbers, man. Y'all wake up.